Ndemazeah Godlove is a well-known, award-winning Forex trader, entrepreneur, and mentor based in South Africa. He is actually originally from Cameroon, where he grew up in poverty. However, through hard work and when he discovered Forex trading, he has become a very successful Forex trader. In today's video, we look at the trader lifestyle of Godlove as a source of inspiration for other traders. This video is not in any way an endorsement of any of his products or services. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. For everything, see what we have for you in the description box below. Today, Ndemazeah Godlove is a well-known Forex trader, entrepreneur, and mentor. He is the founder and CEO of Godlove Group, with thousands of subscribers on his YouTube channel and thousands more followers on Instagram. Ndemazeah is a sought-after speaker in the Forex industry. He has been a Forex trader for years and has ridden the financial roller coaster before finally finding stability and success. Ndemazeah's journey to becoming a Forex trader was not an easy one. After years of struggling to make it in Cameroon, he emigrated to South Africa. After pursuing several ventures, he eventually discovered Forex trading, which has given him millions of rands and the rich lifestyle that we all want. Ndemazeah has managed to live the life he wanted through Forex, being able to buy property and travel the world. He also uses his YouTube channel as a hub of information for aspiring Forex traders. He shares his knowledge and experiences in the Forex market through his videos and has helped many people flip their Forex accounts. Ndemazeah is the founder of Godlove University, an educational academy that offers Forex trading courses. He provides his students with advanced tips, tricks, and secrets to help them succeed in the Forex market. He has also developed his own Forex trading robot so that he can automate his trading. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**.